You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this city in the south of France. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names of famous places around the country. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So in French it's said as Béziers, Béziers. So yes, you have the S is silent at the end, B, so it's an A sound because of the accent, and then the ERS at the end also sounds like A. Béziers is how you say it, or Béziers you could say in English. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support, and more videos for you to learn more here. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.